How to set stop loss orders on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back into my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can set stop loss orders on Binance. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, setting up the Binance stop loss order starts with selecting a cryptocurrency pair that you wish to secure. Open up Binance, head into the trade option. Then you can see buy or sell, convert and spot option. So you can see here stop limit. So you can select stop limit. A stop limit order is an order that has both a stop price and a limit price. When the stop price is reached, it triggers the limit order. So you'll have to select this. This will take you to the fields for setting up the order. You will find a field dedicated to the stop order and another to the limit order. These are effectively the two components of the Binance stop loss order. So you can see limit price B1, limit price B2 and stop price. Limit price can be above or below stop price for both buy and sell orders. For example, stop price is able to combine with a lower limit price or a higher limit price. So you can select it and then you can select the amount here, how much do you want in the stop order here. You can set the limit amount and such and go ahead and proceed with your trade. This is how you can set up stop loss in spot trading in Binance. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe. If you want a detailed video, make sure to leave the comments down below as well.